At 4 months old, you don't have CVI. Now, that's not to say you're not going to have CVI, but you really have to work with vision a bit different. It's really hard for me not to go on the CVI board. There's a kiddo just got posted in a black box and he's just got junk hanging all over for it. This is not how you work with immature vision. Everything to do with movement, eyes included, has to do with functional vision. Now I'm going to post up in your feeds videos that I do to show with low-level vision. So when you're working with CVI, especially at a young age, just because there's damage to the brain doesn't mean that it's CVI. We have to rule out the following. First of all, nystagmus is the first one. If you have nystagmus, you have to work with nystagmus first. If you have, again, where are you at with the optic nerves? Where are you at with the retinas? This is where you have to understand your visual report. And was there a retinoscopy done? Are you looking at sphere, cylinder, and axis? The spheres, if I need glasses, the cylinders, if I have an astigmatism, and the axis is the torque of the astigmatism or where the eye's coming in at. They're all crucially important because at this age, you can have environmental CVI, meaning that it's just like this is too visually complex to work on vision, let's say. You can have structural, or you can have neurological. You can have one of three, and you can have all of three. You have to know where your child's at. CVI is it's almost like saying, you know, at this stage, you've got an autism spectrum disorder diagnosis. So what you're looking for first is the attention of each eye. Your vision might be that immature that you have to work on one eye at a time. And I mean one eye at a time, one eye at a time. We bring it up to having binocular vision where both eyes are working at the same level. And then we go into convergence. Those are the things that you need to work on. Now, if you do suspect, and it would be more so delayed visual maturation versus having cortical visual impairment at this age, you're looking for the attention and the focus on the eyes. From there, you can start working on exciting the eyes and going to a fuller level. But please don't go down the rabbit hole and start looking up everything to do with CVI. There's a hierarchy of vision. And really right now you're ruling out, because I don't know enough about your child. You can post a vision report so I can see. But does your child need glasses or not? A lot of times at 4 months old, they say they can give glasses to a 4-day-old. So don't tell me that the babies don't get glasses. You have to, again, the nystagmus, do they have binocular vision now convergence will just be starting to appear around the 4.5-month level. And that's what you're looking for too, is the qualities of vision you want to improve. Please don't put them in a black box until you know how your child's seeing. Do the visual evaluation like I'm about to, again, post in your feed for low-level vision, and we'll go from there. Thanks.